Welcome back to IT English Hub, the podcast where we help software engineers and tech professionals master business English for the workplace. I'm your host, Bob. In episode 1, we tackled daily stand-ups and how to communicate when your code is blocked. Today, we're diving into episode 2, code reviews and technical feedback. Code reviews are a massive part of a software engineer's day. Knowing how to give and receive feedback politely and professionally is crucial. Let's listen in as our developers, Alex and Sarah, discuss a recent code submission.
Hey Alex, I just opened a PR for the new user authentication feature. Could you take a look when you have some bandwidth?
Sure thing, Sarah. I actually just looked over it. The logic is solid, but you have a merge conflict in the database.js file that you'll need to resolve before we can merge it into the main branch.
I must have pulled from the main branch too early. I'll fix that conflict right away. Did you notice any other issues?
Just a few minor things. I left a nitpick on line 45 regarding the variable naming. It could be a bit more descriptive. Also, instead of writing a custom date parser from scratch, we should probably just use the standard library we already have installed. There is no need to reinvent the wheel.
Good catch. I'll refactor that section to use the standard library.
Perfect. I also noticed the error handling logic is a bit repetitive. If we leave it as is, we might be introducing some technical debt that will slow us down later.
Understood. I'll extract the error handling into a separate, reusable function.
Sounds great. Once you push those updates and resolve the conflict, ping me. If everything passes the tests, I'll drop an LGTM on the PR and approve it.
Will do. Thanks for the constructive feedback, Alex.
What a great conversation. Alex gave clear feedback and Sarah received it professionally. Let's break down the 7 advanced tech English phrases they used. First, PR, pull request. When Sarah said she opened a PR, she was talking about a request to merge her new code into the main project. In some companies, this is also called an MR, or merge request. Second, merge conflict. Alex pointed out a merge conflict. This happens when 2 developers edit the exact same lines of code, and the version control system, like Git, doesn't know which version to keep. Third, nitpick, or nit. Alex said he left a nitpick. In tech, a nitpick is a very minor, non-critical piece of feedback, like fixing a spelling mistake or changing a variable name. It means this isn't a big deal, but it would make the code better. Fourth, refactor. Sarah agreed to refactor her code. Refactoring means changing the structure of the code to make it cleaner and more efficient without changing what the code actually does. Fifth, technical debt. Alex warned about introducing technical debt. Just like financial debt, technical debt happens when you choose a fast, easy, or messy coding solution now, which will cost you extra time and effort to fix in the future. Let's look at the idiom Alex used, reinventing the wheel. A wheel already works perfectly, so trying to invent a new one is a waste of time. In software, if a pre-existing library or tool already solves your problem, writing brand new code to do the exact same thing is reinventing the wheel. Finally, Alex promised to drop an LGTM. This is a very common tech acronym that stands for Looks Good to Me. You will see this abbreviation in code reviews all over the world to signal that the reviewer approves of the changes. Remember, the key to a good code review is being polite and objective. Don't say, your code is bad. Instead, say, this section could be refactored. You can find our free PDF study guide with examples and exercises for this episode linked in the description below. Next week, we'll cover episode 3, Sprint Planning and Estimations, where you'll learn how to talk about story points, deadlines, and managing expectations. Thanks for listening to IT English Hub, and we'll see you next time.